Imagine being excited about buying your home only to find out that your hard-earned money has been sent to scammers. That's the nightmare scenario for victims of wire fraud in a mortgage transaction. Hey there, I'm Roxanne Hayes, broker-owner of RHM Loans. Today, we're going to do a deep dive in wire fraud, specifically for a mortgage transaction. Not only are we going to talk about what mortgage fraud is, but I'm going to give you some tips to protect yourself. Let's get started. Wire fraud is where a scammer tricks you into sending them money by posing to be someone that they're not. This normally happens once you're getting very close to closing in on your real estate transaction. A scammer might pose as your real estate agent, your loan officer, your escrow or title rep, and sometimes even your bank. Sounds scary, right? Don't worry. Here are some critical tips to keep you safe. Number 1, verify before wiring. Before you send any money, always verify the wire instructions. And you're gonna want to call your escrow company directly. And if you don't know who your escrow officer or company is, make sure you call your real estate agent or your loan officer directly. Speak to someone that you've already spoken to from a verified phone number. Number 2, beware of email. Scammers are known to hack into email accounts. If you ever receive wire instructions via email, make sure you call the company of the phone number you know and trust to verify that those instructions are correct. And even on these emails, you're gonna wanna always make sure that the sender is who they are. Do not rely on the display name. You actually have to click the email to make sure that's a trusted email. Number 3, check account details carefully. You are always going to want to ensure that the name, the account numbers, the account details match the instructions that you're given. Number 4, secure your email. You should already do this, but especially during your real estate transaction, you're gonna wanna make sure that your passwords are strong and unique so that they're hard to hack into. You'll even want to consider doing a 2-factor authentication in order to better protect yourself. Number 5, stay skeptical. If someone is pressuring you to wire in money very quickly or even change the instructions last minute, this is a red flag. But what should you do if you get these types of emails or are a victim of wire fraud? And that's a great question. First things first. Number 1, do not respond or click on any links. It's very important that you do not engage with the scammer. Number 2, notify your bank. If you have already wired your funds to a fraudulent account, contact your bank right away. There is a slight chance that if the transaction hasn't already been completed, that they can stop the wire. Number 3, report the scam. If you're a victim of wire fraud, please do not be embarrassed. Contact authorities, contact the police, and even the Federal Trade Commission. They have a way to report this on their website. And number 4, inform your real estate team. Let your realtor know, your loan officer, your escrow officer, that you have hopefully almost, or have been a victim of wire fraud. Even if this is just a scam attempt, we as loan officers, escrow officers, and real estate agents have protocol in order to report these scammers and be able to report these phishings. Remember, the goal is to be vigilant and proactive. By being informed, you are already one step ahead of those scammers. It's heartbreaking to think that someone will lose out on their dream home because of a scam. By staying informed and vigilant, you'll be able to protect yourself and your hard-earned money. Please share this video to spread awareness and protect our communities. Thanks for watching, and for more mortgage tips, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell for notifications. I'll see you on the next video.